This is Anna giving you a call from. I'm just giving you a call to let you know that your closing disclosure is ready and it's posted to your portal. We are getting ready to fund your loan, so I just wanted to get this going here for you. Please let me know if you have any questions or give me a call back here. Oh, too far back. Good? Are we good right there? Oh my gosh, I feel like I haven't done a vlog. Actually, I know when's the last time I did a vlog. It was 5 months ago. And honestly, I just miss it so much. I feel like I have been so focused on creating like short form content, reels, TikToks, YouTube shorts, and as much as I love that, as much as I think it really grows the channel, I just feel like it doesn't really give me a connection so much. Today, I just wanted to do like a casual work from home vlog. I genuinely mean it when I say I have been so swamped lately just with life, and I'm not saying that just to say like, oh, I've been so busy. Like, really, life has been crazy, but in the best way possible, I would say. More good than bad. I had my sister visiting from Michigan for like 2 straight months. I've had a lot going on with my mortgage job, real estate. I've had some amazing dream collaborations with brands that I never thought I would be able to work with. Stuff going on with the swimwear line. I have some Hawaii vlog content coming up. I'm going to Oahu in about 3 weeks, which is so exciting. I can't wait to share that with you. Okay, so I definitely want to order some food here from Cafe Hermosa. Love it here, and I'm so tempted to get breakfast. They have it till 4 p.m.
Cafe Hermosa.
Hi, could I place an order for pickup, please?
Sure, what can I get for you?
Could I do your spicy chicken panini?
Okay, let's go.
I may or may not have completely blanked out yesterday and just stopped vlogging, but I promise you all I did was sit at my desk all day and work. Today is Thursday and I do have things I need to do. I have to do loads of laundry, I have to take the trash out, I have to clean, I have to run some errands, so I'm gonna bring you along. I did already get ready this morning, get my coffee, answered a few emails. My hair is quite wild. I didn't wash my hair this morning, but it's fine. This is clean laundry that has been sitting here for about a week. My closet is just a mess, an absolute disaster, so I'm going to attempt to get this in order before the weekend. We have our candle lit, and I'm going to play some music. Also, I want to try this on for you guys later. It's this dress from House of CB, and they are not cheap, and I want your guys' opinion on if I should keep this or not, so I'll probably try that on later. But in the meantime, I'm going to play some music and fold my clothes. Hello. Right. Oh my gosh. This is so much laundry. All of this is just clothing that needs to be hung. All of this is just like t-shirts and jackets that I've been wearing. Very little of this was like my pajamas and sweats. Good day. It is Friday. Happy Friday. I didn't finish off yesterday's vlog because I ended up going to a dinner in San Diego and I was just with friends and I didn't feel comfortable bringing out the camera if they weren't comfortable on it. I'm trying on these dresses for the weekend. I'm not sure which one to wear. My best friend Nikki actually gave me this one and I just tried it on and I can't tell if I like it or not. I mean, it's really cute. I'm just wondering if it's functional. Okay, so here it is. Obviously a very low cut dress. I would have to wear like some type of pasties on this. So this is what it looks like. I feel like it's kind of like super sexy, businessy kind of deal. I obviously wouldn't wear this to an actual business occasion, but she is having a launch party this weekend, so I guess this would be option number one. This is definitely, I don't know, I feel like this is like a going out type dress. I really love it. I haven't worn it out yet. Tried it on. I've had it in my closet for the last year. Haven't had an occasion to wear it. Let me know what you think. The event isn't until Sunday, so I'm going to leave the comment section up for you guys to vote which dress to wear. So this is dress number 2. All right, so this is dress number 3. I wore this, I think like 2019, 2020 New Year's Eve. It's cute. I'm just like, it's not my favorite dress. It feels a little dated to me. Ruching on the side. It's pretty cute. It's not my favorite. I think I would for sure pick the black one over this one. Okay. Ooh, struggling to zip up the back is the last dress. This is the one that I ordered from House of CB that literally cost more than my prom dress, more than my bridesmaid's dress in like any wedding I've been in. Why I decided to buy this, I fell in love with it, but I clearly feel like it's a little too much. But look at the detailing, like the corset. It's just gorgeous. Like the fabric is top tier. The corset is extremely thick. Not going to lie, I probably would not be able to eat much in this.